Hi everyone, I'm Tyson. I'm from ITI TAITRA, and in this video we're going to practice two sounds, and So today we're going to focus on two sounds that can be a bit challenging, the L sound, and the R sound, Let's start with the placement of these two sounds. I recommend taking out a mirror or your smartphone camera to see your own mouth as you make the sounds. Before we begin, I want you to find the different parts of your mouth. Feel the inside of your mouth with your tongue. Starting in the front, we have our lips. Then our teeth, top and bottom. Moving along the top, just behind the teeth, you'll find a hard bump, which we'll call the ridge. Moving back, you'll find the roof of your mouth. You'll notice it's hard, but if you keep going really far, you'll notice it gets soft closer to the back. All right, let's begin with the L sound. To make the L sound, bring your tongue forward so only the tip of your tongue is touching behind your top teeth and under the ridge. Like this. L. Notice your lips should not be rounded. This is wrong. This is correct. Here are some words. Lock, pillow, fall. Remember to end the word on the O sound. Do not add a vowel. This is wrong. Follow. This is correct. Fall. It's important to notice what happens to the sound if my tongue is too far back, like if it's on or just behind the ridge, like this. Late. Keep it here. Late. Hello. Hello. Sell. Sell. Next, the R sound. To make the sound, you can either bring the front of your tongue down and the back of your tongue up and back, or you can slightly curl the front of your tongue up and back. The back sides of the tongue may touch the insides of your back teeth. It is important, though, that the tip of your tongue is not touching anything. Like this. Notice my lips are slightly rounded and pinched in the corners for this sound. Here are some words. Rope, carry, deer. Now let's compare these two sounds. First, hold the sound for a few seconds. Now let's add a vowel. La la la. Ra ra ra. All right, let's practice some words comparing the O and sounds. Notice how my lips change between the two sounds. Late, rate, silly, Siri, call, car. Now we're going to try putting the two sounds together, like in the word early. This can be challenging, so remember to take out a mirror or a smartphone and watch your mouth. Remember to slightly round your lips for the sound and relax your lips when you get to the sound. Earl, Earl. Fairly, fairly. Where's your tongue for the sound? Is it behind the teeth or is it too far back? Let's keep going. Careless, careless. World, world. It might help to make the sound slightly longer so it doesn't sound like word. World, world. Excellent. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this video useful. More videos like this, or if you want to know more about ITI TAITRA, where we offer the best language and business training in Taiwan, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the ITI English channel. See you later.